Hi everyone, I'm Pranita Kocharekar, a designer, illustrator, and small business owner. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a professional pamphlet online using Adobe Express. Pamphlets are one of the most effective and easiest ways to communicate information, whether it's for workshops, events, or even small businesses wanting to share their value at a glance. Let's get started. Go to adobe.com/express. Under the create section, you'll find templates. Type in pamphlets in the search bar. You'll find a library full of customizable pamphlet templates, everything from event promotions to awareness campaigns to product and company pamphlets. Today we are creating a pamphlet for a business that offers healthy bowls on a subscription model. First, we label every panel by the order you see it, so it's clear and simple. For the first panel, we'll have the brand's motto, contact details, and the quickest way to communicate what you're offering. I'm creating the logo of the business first by going into the text option and browsing through the recommended fonts by Adobe Express. If you want to explore a circular layout for your logo, you can head to Edit, Text Layouts, and try the different styles. After exploring a few fonts, I locked in on this one, and I'm exploring a sans serif font for the business's tagline. Next, I wanted to fill up the negative space by adding a graphic element. For this, you can head to Add Content, Elements, Icons, and type in the element you're looking for. After a bit of exploration with the layout, I decided to place the fork and knife at the top while pulling the image of the bowl slightly to the bottom of the panel and adding the brand's website details at the base. Once you open the front panel of the pamphlet, you'll see panels 2, 3, and 4. This is where we'll talk about the business, the packages, and some facts about healthy eating. I've chosen the same sans serif font for these details, and I'm sticking to the color palette of this template for the font color. Since I'm using the same font, we can use varying font weights to create a sharper visual hierarchy. We're also using an icon to lighten the text and make the layout easier to read. Next, we'll group everything on the left, duplicate it to the right, and update the text. Next, we're generating an image of a salad packaging bowl to show the look and feel of the brand. For this, you can go to Add Content, Media. Under Generate Image, you can put in your prompt. I really like this image of the packaging bowl. I'm using the Remove Background tool for a clean crop, and I'm copy pasting the logo on top of the packaging bowl as well. Next, using the same font, I'm adding the benefits of healthy eating in a list format. And finally, we'll add a QR code of your brand website as the final stage of communication. For this, you can head over to the home page, enter your URL, save the QR code, and bring it back into the file. I'm adding the final call to action right above the QR code and a graphic element for a better visual flow. Next, we're moving to panel 5. This is going to be the About Us page. As you can see, I've already generated a graphic element of a bowl at the bottom. I'm also typing in details about the business. And finally, I'm using the rewrite feature to create a shorter and crisper version of the copy. At the bottom of this panel, I'm adding subtle graphic elements that highlight the brand's healthy ingredients and guide the eye towards panel 6. After rearranging the elements a bit more, I'm moving to the last panel, which is panel 6. I really like the existing image on panel 6, so I'm simply adding the logo on top of the bowl. I've changed the font, and as a last step, we're adding contact details. For this, I've pulled out an icon from the icon section, and that's it. Once you're happy with the design, you can click on download and select the print ready PDF for a print version or a PNG or JPEG if you want to share it online. Pro tip, if you're printing your pamphlet, choose a soft matte 100 GSM paper. It folds beautifully and it's perfect for pamphlets. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more such design tutorials.